Long time no see, guys. There's a guy that probably trust me, so I rejoin him. Let's see if he trusts me. Ay, full server. Okay, wait. So I'm playing Black Spurt. First time in a month. Um, this guy attract me because he have dragon. I'm reasoning that I buying Robux, but I don't know that I have a surprise for him. Oh, he, there he is. This guy. I'm so broke right now, bro. Hmm. Sorry, I'm using cell phone and my laptop. I only have zero balance in my Roblox, bro. But don't worry, I'm gonna. Hmm. Series. Okay, bye guys. Part 2 later. Part 2 later. 3 minutes.